Hi everyone. In this video, I'll give you a course introduction on Introduction to Python Programming. You might be wondering if this course is for you. If you belong to any of the following four categories, you should take this course. I believe that you'll be able to learn the foundation and applications for what you need to first control your computer. Second, write a computer program so that you can build some software, for example, web applications or mobile applications later. And third, become a software engineer, which is the best job announced by US News from more than 3 years. And fourth, become a statistician or mathematician or operations research analyst, which are in the top 5 best jobs announced by US News 2020. If you are in one of the categories, you're more than welcome to take this course. This course will be helpful to you. You might be concerned about taking this course because I have seen many students, especially non-engineering students, hesitate to learn a computer programming language. However, you do not have to be afraid. It's just like learning a new language. Just think back to the time you learned a new language. I still remember when I first learned 하나 둘 셋 in Korean, or 1 2 3 in English, or uno dos tres in Spanish. Yet, as the title of this course indicates, this course is an introductory course to Python programming, not all-encompassing programming course. You'll not be able to learn computer programming from just one single course. So feel free to take more advanced courses if you already know more than the basics. Before we begin, you need to understand that computer programming is translating things or thoughts or instructions in your language to a computer programming language. So you need to practice translation, which takes time. If you recall back to when you learned a new language, it took some time to translate sentences or phrases from your native language to a new language, right? It's same here. Everyone's pace is different. So don't get disappointed in yourself if you think you take a longer time than the others. The goal of this course is to develop code literacy. You'll learn how to write a computer programming using a computer program language called Python. This course is based on two 50-minute lecture videos and one 50-minute live session for every day. During the 15 days of this course, you will learn 13 different topics and you'll take 2 exams. Also, you have a homework assignment for every day. On day 1, you learn what a computer is and what parts are in the computer. You will also learn that we learn computer programming language to communicate with our computer. In other words, we learn a computer programming language to give instructions to let our computer work as our intention. On day 2, you'll learn about block coding and how to write instructions precisely. On day 3, you'll learn how to install Python interpreter and execute Python program using console, text editor, idle, IPython notebook, and IDEs. IDEs are integrated development environments. On day 4, you'll learn about comments, variables, values, and data types in Python. On day 5, you'll learn about control statement, such as conditional statement and loop statement. On day 6, you learn to organize code as a function. On day 7, you'll have a midterm exam. On day 8, um, you will learn how to handle data with hash, which is dictionary, and files and databases. On day 9, you'll learn what a model is and how to use it. On day 10, you'll learn object-oriented programming and data structures such as stack and queue. On day 11 and 12, you'll learn algorithms for sorting and searching and graph traversing. On day 13, you'll learn regular expressions. On day 14, you'll learn to develop a simple web application using Flask. On the last day, you'll take a final exam. I'll grade you based on 4 things: attendance, assignments, a midterm exam, and final exam. For the grading policy, if your score is in the range of 95 and 100, you'll get A plus. And if your total score is in the range of 90 and 95, you will get A0 and so on. So if you get some score below or equal to 40, you will get F. And I am your instructor, Keeheon Lee. I'm an associate professor of creative technology management Underwood International College in Yonsei University, Republic of Korea. I'm also in Department of Innovation in Yonsei Graduate School in Korea, and I am also affiliated in Graduate School of Information and other centers, research centers, and makerspace and other units in our Yonsei University. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.